Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to renew Hostinger hosting. All right, let's begin. First, go to the Hostinger website and log into your H-panel using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the billing section from the main menu. Under subscriptions, you'll see a list of your active services. Locate your hosting plan, then click the arrow icon, and then select Renew Now button from the new menu. Next, choose your preferred renewal period. Follow the payment steps, and your hosting will be extended. The second method is through the Websites section in H-panel. Click on Websites from the menu, and you'll see all the sites linked to your account. Find the hosting plan header and click on the three dots icon. Now you'll see the Renew option. Select your desired renewal term, then proceed with payment to confirm. Both of these methods make renewing simple and quick, ensuring your site remains active without interruption. So that's basically how you can renew Hostinger hosting. That's it for this video. Thanks.